Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the innovative and game-changing product, the best Bluetooth label maker. So stay with us for all the essential details and insights you need. Let's get started. The Makeheed P31 Bluetooth label maker is a professional-grade labeling solution built for industrial, commercial, and organizational environments. Combining portability, customization, and high performance, this device is tailored for users who need reliable, high-quality labeling across diverse applications. Product features: versatile label support, compatible with over 20 different label sizes, including self-laminating, nylon, PET all-weather tapes, and heat-shrink tubing. Continues to adapt to new materials for flexible applications. High-resolution printing delivers crisp, clear text at 300 dpi with a 1-inch printhead that supports up to 8 lines of text on a single label. Advanced customization works with the MakeID Pro app, offering 48 templates, 200-plus icons, 20-plus fonts, and support for barcodes and QR codes. Bulk data import makes large-scale labeling efficient. Performance and speed. Equipped with a 2600 mAh rechargeable battery, providing up to 90 days of operation per charge, while printing at speeds up to 60 labels per minute. Smart Tape System automatically identifies label types, aligns templates, and ensures proper positioning, reducing waste and enhancing accuracy. Portable design, lightweight at just 1.27 pounds, making it easy to carry to different work sites. Durable labels. Uses thermal transfer technology to produce fade-resistant, long-lasting labels suitable for harsh environments. Pros: wide compatibility with multiple label types and sizes. Crisp 300 dpi resolution ensures professional quality results. Highly customizable via the MakeID Pro app with fonts, icons, barcodes, and QR codes. Fast printing speed of up to 60 labels per minute improves productivity. Long-lasting 2600 mAh battery minimizes charging interruptions. Smart tape recognition system simplifies setup and reduces errors. Lightweight and portable for on-the-go use. Thermal transfer labels resist fading and wear over time. Cons: initial cost may be higher compared to basic label makers. Requires a smartphone and the MakeID Pro app for full customization. Advanced features may have a learning curve for beginners. Limited to thermal transfer technology, so it doesn't support color printing. Final thoughts. The MakeID P31 Bluetooth label maker is an excellent choice for professionals who need a powerful, versatile, and portable labeling solution. With support for multiple label types, high-resolution printing, and advanced customization through the MakeID Pro app, it delivers industrial-grade results in a compact package. While it may not be the cheapest option and requires some tech familiarity, its performance and durability make it a reliable investment for fast-paced and demanding work environments. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe Tech Kingo.